Good morning. Welcome to you in the online class of Prabhutara. Today I am going to teach you one poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat. This poem had been composed by T.S. Eliot. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one, for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Now read the poem. Macavity's mystery cat, he is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad. You must know, here, and then defy, defy, that means disobey, flying squad, a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action. And bafflement of Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard is the place here. So for the flying squad's despair, opposite of hope. Despair means opposite of hope. Hope means asa, despair, nirasa. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation. That means floating in the air. Levitation means floating in the air. His power would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in Dubawa. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed, and his coat is dusty for neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Na कंघी मारा हुआ. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, yes, when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend. F-I-N-D, fiend means devil. In the final means of relating to the cat, final shape, a monster of depravity. Depravity means moral corruption, bhashtachar. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity not there. Yes, this poem has been composed by T.S. Eliot. What does the poet want to say you? What is the message? When T.S. Eliot has composed this poetry, the poem is about a mystery cat named Macavity, who is not like ordinary cat. He is a criminal who has broken all the laws, has become a problem for the police. He cannot be discovered from the crime scene. His powers are supernatural. There is no one like Macavity. He is a devil in the shape of a cat. He is a monster which can be seen anywhere but not on a crime scene. The poet has discussed a cat who is very mysterious, named Macavity. He is always called the Hidden Paw because he is the master criminal who has broken all laws and has become a headache for the Scotland Yard, the flying squad, as wherever they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. He has broken the law of gravity and can fly in the air. Macavity is a ginger cat. According to the poet, McVitie is a ginger cat, very tall and thin. He has sunken eyes, deeply lined eyebrows, highly domed head. His coat is dark brown. His whiskers are uncombed. He moves like a snake and is wide awake when one thinks he is half asleep. He is very smart cat and is a devil in the shape of a cat, a monster of depravity. He can be seen anywhere but not on a scene of crime. Yes, this is the summary of the poem. And now what we have to do, I will write. I think you have to do working with the poem. Okay, thank you.